Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Sellfy store, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you change the font to your Sellfy store? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to change the font in your Sellfy store anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that branding is really important. So maybe you need the font to match up with your other social media. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Sellfy dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Sellfy account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to change the font to your Sellfy store, here on the left side, you're going to click on store settings. Once you do that, it's going to open up your store design right here. And off to the right, you want to click here, customize store. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see these two options at the top, and you want to click on store style. All right, once you do that, you're going to go ahead and scroll all the way down to the bottom, and you're going to see the section here called typography. So here you can go ahead and change the font to your Sellfy store. So first off, you can go ahead and change the size of the font. So it's 18, so we can drop that down to 14 if you want. Next, you want to go ahead and choose the heading font. So that's going to be up here. So you can see it's space mono, but let's go ahead and maybe use Source Sans 3 or maybe Epilogue. And then next, you want to go ahead and change the text font. It's DM Sans. So let's do maybe Epilogue, and you can see it change right here. And let's see here. Maybe we can try Space Grotesque. Okay, now you can see it updated. Once you found the font that you like, note that you can go ahead and change the text color right here if you wish to do so. And after that, you want to click on Publish here on the top right. Okay, now it is saved. So anybody who lands on my store is going to see the new font that we just added. So there you have it guys. If you're wondering how to change the font in your Sellfy store, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.